Maki. I'm own a living and crafting shop. I love to make a craft. This is my hobby, and I am happy every time that I make a craft. When I graduated interior factually, I found a job that I love. So, if you need some advice or find something to decorate your house, always contact me. I feel myself so lucky to have a job and to do what I love to do every day. So, if you need something or you want something for you or for your family or your friend, please can have a look in my shop online or contact me, and I will see what I can do for you. Thank you.